Have you met Officer Bruin?
K-9 Bruin is actually a explosive detection K-9, but he's a dual purpose, so he does explosive detection, tracking, article searches. He also does handler protection and was trained by the state police.
In 2026, Officer Bruin will be retiring after 8 years of dedicated service.
So Bruin has served the community from day one. He's helped bridge the gap between the department and the community.
Having a K-9 officer has enabled the university police team to connect with students on a different level, creating a safer, more connected campus community.
He's done searches, he's assisted other agencies, he's gone to elementaries and done events. He's just a huge asset for our department, and he supports us and has supported us from day one. Bruin's retirement for the department, he's going to be missed. I think everyone in our department has a story about Bruin. He's always happy to see us. He's always ready to work. And he just kind of makes your day better. It's a better vibe and a better time. The gifts and support basically allow us to search for the right K-9, to look for the K-9 that will both be a community policing dog and be a dual purpose dog, fill that legacy that Bruin created.
We need your help to find the next K-9 officer. Please help us reach our goal of $20,000 by making your gift today and help bring a new K-9 officer home to Morrisville.